Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is a theory that there are sections of the crust that move around on top of the magma inside the middle of the Earth. There are two types of crust: oceanic crust and continental crust. Oceanic crust is a thinner of the two crusts. So when a subduction zone happens, the oceanic crust goes underneath the continental crust. Continental crust is thicker of the two crusts. When a subduction zone happens with the oceanic crust, the continental crust goes over top of the oceanic crust. A divergent boundary is when two tectonic plates pull away from each other. When two oceanic plates pull away from each other, a ridge forms because magma flows upwards, and creating mountains like this. When two continental crust pieces pull away from each other, a rift is formed, and eventually is filled with water. Here's an example of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. A ridge is formed following that red line. A convergent boundary is when two plates collide. So when two oceanic plates collide, since they're both dense, they form a trench going downward. When two continental crust pieces collide, mountains usually form. And when a continental and oceanic crust collide, this is when a subduction zone happens. The oceanic plate going underneath the continental crust, creating a subduction zone. Transform boundary. When two plates slide past each other, they create faults and major earthquakes. This is the same on oceanic and continental crust. A good example is the San Andreas Fault. Convection currents is what makes all the plates move. This is a cycle in the Earth where magma rises and cools and sinks below, like this.